It's time for a big change. So far you've been working with exercises in a REPL. I had you do this as it's the easiest way to get up and running, but professional developers don't use REPLs for writing production code, although we do sometimes use them for trying things out. Instead, we use something called an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. There are several available. Some are paid, some are free, but the one that's taken the development world by storm is called Visual Studio Code. It's absolutely world-class. I don't know of a better IDE out there. It's made by Microsoft, and they're well known for making excellent developer tools, and it's free. Under the rule of Bill Gates and then later Steve Ballmer, the idea of Microsoft releasing something of this caliber for free would just have been unthinkable. Microsoft was all about getting paid. But a new CEO, Satya Nadella, took over from Ballmer in 2014, and in 5 years, he's transformed the company. It was hated by developers because of their predatory practices, but today, Microsoft has really become a valued member of the development community. It reminds me of the last line of The Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens, talking about Scrooge. He became as good a friend, as good a master, and as good a man as the good old city knew. And I'm starting to wonder whether Satya Nadella maybe had three spirits visit him in the night too. The transformation of Microsoft has been so drastic. And for me, the most surprising thing about VS Code, nowhere does Microsoft's name or logo appear. So starting from this exercise forward, you'll use VS Code. In fact, all this exercise does is instruct you on downloading and installing it. And then once you have it set up, you'll write and run your first code. As you use it, you're going to discover some of the great features it offers. In fact, some of the upcoming exercises, including the next one, will reveal some tips and tricks you'll enjoy. I've also created an auxiliary exercise named Setting Up VS Code that will walk you through creating new folders and files and running them in an environment called Live Code. So check that out here at the top of the exercise pages. And then once you have that set up and you've watched the auxiliary exercise, come over to exercise 43 where I'll be waiting for you.